Yes. So thank you guys for joining me today. Stay tuned till the end to see how I accomplish this soft glam makeup look.
She's a
We are starting off with basing her face with Airspun setting powder because she was a little oily. So that is to mattify her face. And then we are going right into her eyebrows and just lining it. After lining her natural brow and filling it in a little bit, I am now using a brow brush to smooth everything out and just give her a flawless brow look.
AG.
I am now going in with LA Pro Girl Concealer, a lighter shade than she is, to give her a nice smooth transition, and it'll be a nice color base for the eyeshadow. Also, while doing this, I am stretching her skin above her eyebrow to help me create a precise line while cleaning it up with the concealer.
AG. AG.
Now I'm basing her entire eyelid with P. Louise eyeshadow base. So when we go in with the eyeshadow, everything is gonna pop, it's gonna go on smoothly, and it's just gonna look right. So I'm lightly tapping color into her outer crease, and I say lightly because it's a soft glam look, so you don't want to pack on any color when it comes to this look. So right here, I'm just lightly packing on some gold shimmery eyeshadow on her entire eyelid. Going in with a lighter shimmery goldish color to just give it like a pop. Even though it's a soft glam, we could give it a nice smooth little pop.
AG.
Don't know we representing all the ghetto you them around the world. All the man them out here that just try and make a better life for themselves by any means necessary. Cause man out here struggling for real and we gotta do whatever it is we gotta do to survive. Cause that's what dreams are made of.
So I am not gonna give her a dramatic wing due to the fact that this is a soft glam look. So we're just gonna lightly swipe some black liquid eyeliner on her eyelid.
AG.
So after basting her face, I went ahead and applied the lashes by my lash line Koinonia by Zazel. Feel free to check us out on Instagram and on Facebook. This is in Style Icon.
AG.
Now I'm going in with Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm applying a generous amount and I'm going to just blot this into her face. I went ahead and used a beauty blender to buff out the foundation, which will give it a airbrush finish and also to help me get into the intricate parts of her face.
AG.
Guys, I am loving this already. It just has this smooth finish to it. I am in love. Like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for the finished product. Y'all tell me what you think so far in the comments below. So this is actually my favorite part, the highlighting and the contour. So I'm just using the same beauty blender to blend out everything.
AG. AG.
So I'm just setting all the areas that we highlighted with the Airspun setting powder.
AG.
Now I'm going in with some brown bronzer and I'm gonna just go over where we contoured.
AG.
So I'm just going back in with some concealer to clean up our contour just a little bit because we need that bridge to be cut and clean. So now we're just going in with some of that shadow we used earlier, and we're gonna just put some on the bottom eyelid just to bring everything in and it give the eye a nice closed finish. And I'm just using some mascara right here to blend her natural eyelashes with the falsies.
AG.
We at the finish line, y'all. So all we doing is just glossing these lips up, and we're gonna set her with some setting spray, and she is on her way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you know when we do another tutorial like this. Thank you.
AG.